In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload files to Dropbox from Google Drive. We'll go step by step, starting in Google Drive, downloading your files, and then moving them into Dropbox on your computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to transfer your documents, photos, or folders without losing anything along the way. Let's start in Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to your Google Drive account. Once you're in, look for the files or folders you want to move over to Dropbox. You can click on a single file, or if you want multiple items, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each file or folder you need. When you've selected everything you want to transfer, right-click on any one of the highlighted items. In the menu that appears, choose the Download option. As soon as you click Download, Google Drive will start preparing your files. If you downloaded more than one item, Google will automatically bundle them together into one compressed file, also known as a zip file. This just makes it easier to download everything at once. Depending on how many files you chose and how large they are, this download step may take a little time. You might see a progress bar in the bottom corner of your browser showing you how far along it is. When the download finishes, your browser will save that file to your computer, usually in your default downloads folder, unless you've changed that setting. Now let's switch over to your computer. Open your File Explorer. On Windows, this is called File Explorer, and on a Mac, it's called Finder. Once it's open, navigate to your Downloads folder. You should see either the individual file you downloaded or a zip file with the name that matches what you downloaded from Google Drive. If you only downloaded a single file that isn't zipped, you can use it right away. But if you see a zip file, you'll need to extract it first, so Dropbox can upload the individual files inside. On Windows, right-click the zip file and choose Extract All, then follow the prompts to create a normal folder with the contents. On a Mac, you can simply double-click the zip file, and it will automatically extract into a new folder in the same location. After extraction, open the new folder to confirm that all your files are there and accessible. Next, you're ready to move everything into Dropbox. Make sure you have the Dropbox app installed on your computer and that you're signed in. In your File Explorer or Finder, you should see a Dropbox folder listed in the sidebar or under your user folders. Click that Dropbox folder to open it. This is the folder that syncs with your online Dropbox account. Now go back to your Downloads folder or the location where your extracted files are stored. Arrange the windows so you can see both your Downloads and your Dropbox folder at the same time if possible. Then simply drag and drop the files or folders from your Downloads into the Dropbox folder. If you prefer, you can also use copy and paste. Right-click the files, choose Copy, then go to the Dropbox folder, right-click and choose Paste. Once you've moved or copied the files, Dropbox will automatically start uploading them to your account in the background. Look for the Dropbox icon on your computer, usually in the system tray on Windows or the menu bar on a Mac. While files are uploading, you'll typically see a syncing symbol like rotating arrows. Wait until that icon shows a green check mark. That green check mark indicates the upload is complete and your files are safely stored in Dropbox. And that's all you need to do to upload files to Dropbox from Google Drive.